Hello dear friends, welcome back to SGRV-TECH class. So today on this video, I'm going to discussing about with those odd functions. So let us see the definition. A function f of x which is said to be an odd function. One means here it is the condition. So what is that condition? F of minus x is equal to minus of f of x. Otherwise, f of minus x plus f of x which is equal to 0. See, when we said whether the given function is odd function or not means, so they used to give the one function, okay, you just consider that function as a f of x. So there what you have to means, just you have to put instead of x, you just put minus x. Got it? So when will you put this minus x in that form? If you will get the minus of f of x, then easily you can say the given function is what? Odd function. Otherwise, see here, or f of minus x plus f of x which is equal to 0. It means here this should be 0. See now here there is an example. Okay, f of x is equal to sine of x. Let us solve whether this is a odd function or not by using the help of our definition. See what is our definition? See here this is the f of x. Okay, this is the given function. Okay, this is given function. You can write down here in the theory exam. You should write down given is what? F of x is equal to minus sine x. Okay. So now what you have to do means, this is the f of x. Now you just put here minus x. Okay, in the place of x just put minus x. See, if you put instead of x minus x in this given function, then how it will become a sine of, instead of x put a minus x. We know the formula, right? What is the standard form? Sine of minus x, which is nothing but minus of sine x. We know this one, right? Sine of minus x, which is nothing but what? Minus sine x. You can also write down here f of minus x. See here, what is sine x? What is your sine x? See here, sine x which is nothing but what? Which is nothing but f of x. So here instead of sine of x, you can write down this one. Yes. See, is it exactly look like our definition or not? See, f of minus x which is in the form of minus of f of x. Got it? Otherwise, you can also fill in this form also. F of minus x plus f of x. What is your f of minus x? That is nothing but minus sine x. Okay. Put minus sine x plus what is your f of x? That is nothing but sine x. See, minus sine x plus sine x which is nothing but what? 0. See here, this condition is also satisfied. This is also satisfied. So then you can easily say that the given function, what is the given function? Sine x. Sine x which is an odd function. Got it? See, easily, this is so easy. You just keep remembering this formula. Instead of x, you just put a minus x, and if you will get this one, and the given function is what? That is the odd function. Let us move on to the second example. See here also the same thing. What is here the given function which is nothing but what? X cube. Okay, x cube. Write down the solution here. First write down the given. So what is the given? The given which is given function which is nothing but what? F of x which is equal to x cube. So now what we have to do? We have to find the f of minus x, right? F of minus x which is equal to minus of x whole cube. Okay, see here, yeah, this is as it is f of minus x, and here minus x cube means minus 1. You can also write down like this. If you know directly, you can write down. Otherwise, see here, see minus 1 cube into x cube. What is the minus 1 cube which is nothing but minus 1? How? This is x cube. How means, see here. What do you mean by minus 1 cube? It means, it tells that we have to multiply minus 1 how many times? 3 times. Cube is there. So minus 1 into minus 1 which is nothing but plus 1. Okay, plus 1, and plus 1 into minus 1 which is nothing but what? Minus 1. Therefore minus 1 cube, which is nothing but what? Minus 1. So here you can observe now minus x cube. Minus 1 into x cube is minus of x cube. So here the in the LHS what? Same, it is f of minus x. Then we know the value of x cube which is nothing but what? F of x cube which is nothing but what? Minus x. So f of minus x in the form of which is nothing but minus of f of x. Yes, of course, our given function is which is satisfying our definition. Then easily you can say that therefore f of x, given f of x which is nothing but what? X cube which is an odd function. Okay, so easy, just do practice. Now let us move on to the third function. Okay, so what is here? The given function is log to the log, and here the base is there, e, and 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x. So then how to solve this one? Don't get panic because of there is a logarithmic function. It is a logarithmic. Use the same. Okay, so what we have to do? It given. So what is the given? Given which is nothing but f of x. F of x which is equal to log to the this base and 1 minus x 1 plus x. So just to find out the f of minus x first. F of minus x. It means in the place of x just put minus of x. Okay, yeah. So here you can see 1 minus is there in the place of x, minus x square, then 1 plus here again it is minus x. Just to do simplify this one, just to do the simplify. So what it will, minus into minus, it will become a 1 plus x. And how about here 1 minus x? Is there any confusion here? Is there any confusion? See, don't get panic, okay? Don't get panic. It means if they'll give the any something like logarithmic, otherwise something e power. So if they will give this type of, then don't get panic. So here you can observe this is log to the power e 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x is there. See how it is exactly looks like. Do you remember this formula? Do you remember this one? Log to the power a by b, which is nothing but what? Which is nothing but we can also write this one in the form of log to the power e b by a. So just now I'm going to write down in the standard, yeah, in that form. Log to the power e, here this is a, this is b. Now it comes in the numerator and 1 plus x which comes in the denominator. Got it? See, and you just observe this function. Is this looks like a f of x or not? Of course it is. Of course it is. So therefore, you can observe here f of minus x, which is nothing but what? Minus of f of x. Otherwise, you can also write like this also, f of minus x plus f of x, which is nothing but what? 0. And therefore, you can say the given f of x, which is what? Which is an odd function, which is an odd function. Okay, now let us move on to the fourth problem. Yes, what is the fourth problem? That is also in the form of logarithm only. Okay, so this is also in the form of log. See, just write down the given function. So what is that given? What is that given function? That given function which is nothing but f of x, which is equal to log the base e and x plus square root of x square plus 1. So what is our first condition? Just put minus x. Okay, instead of in the place of x, just put minus x and do simplify. Log of e, and here it is which is minus x plus, see here, minus x square is there. Okay, whole square plus 1. Just to do the simplification, log to the power, here base is e, this is minus x plus, what is x square plus 1, which is nothing but x square plus 1. Okay, yeah. So now this is what? This is your f of minus x. So what we know that what is the definition? Definition which is nothing but f of x minus f of x plus minus f of x is equal to 0. If it is true, then we can easily say the given function is an odd function. We know the f of x value. What is the f of x value? That is nothing but this one. Okay, just put those values here in this form. F of x, which is nothing but log to the power e x, yeah, x plus root of x square plus 1. And here this is log to the power, so base e, and which is minus x plus x square plus 1. Yeah, see here, this is in the form of what? This is in the form of what? Which is common here? Which is common here? Exactly. See, we know it is in the form of log e a, and it is in the form of b. So then we know this one, right? Okay, here I will write. What we know the formula? Log, if the base is e, and here it will be log e, and here which is b, and what is this? Which is nothing but product. Okay, we can write in the form of product. Just write on these two in that form now. Then how it will become a? Now it will becomes like a log e, okay, log e x plus square root of x square plus 1 into x, sorry, this is minus, okay, yeah, x square plus 1. Okay, is there any space or not? Yeah, okay. See, now you can observe here, it is in the form of a plus b, a minus b. Yes or no? See, a plus b, a minus b, because here this you can rearrange the term. Okay, you can rearrange the term. Then it will become a log to the, yeah, a plus b. This is your, here this is a. Okay, this is a and this is b, and this is our a. Here minus b is a x. So a plus b, a minus, which is nothing but what? A square. A square means x square plus 1 whole square, a square minus what is your b, which is nothing but x square. Here only I will write, okay, because there is no space. Yeah, see now here this one and this root get cancelled, and it will become what? X square plus 1, and here it is minus x square, plus and plus x square minus x square get cancelled. Then what is the remaining term? Log 1, where the base is log 1. So what is this? Which is nothing but what? 0. Which is nothing but 0. Then easily you can say, and the given function is what? What? Yeah, exactly. The given function is which is an odd function. Which is an odd function. If here the some what to say, the equations or something like the formulas, those get helps. The main thing is that you should know how to check whether the given function is even or not, like that. Okay, so now let us move on to the fifth one. So what is the fifth one? If f of x plus f of y is equal to f of x plus y, then we have to show that the given f of x, which is what? Which is an odd function. Okay, so how to show? Let us see. Okay, so here this is what? This is a proof. Okay, because we have to show this one. So what is they have given here? They only they have said, or that is f of x plus f of y, which is equal to f of x plus y is there. Now what we have to do means just put, okay, just put x is equal to minus y. See here, so it becomes a f of minus y plus f of y. Okay, so here also you should put, because there is a x term, right? So where there is a terms of this x, there you should put the minus y. So then what it will becomes now? F of minus y plus f of y, which is equal to what? Minus y. It means f of 0. Consider this as a equation 1. See, again now what you do means just put, okay, again just put x is equal to y is equal to 0. So then therefore we can see here f of 0 plus f of 0, which is nothing but what? F of 0 plus 0. f of 0 means what? 2f of 0. Okay, 2f of 0, and here it is a f of 0. See, 2f of 0 minus f of 0, which is equal to 0. This is in the term of positive. If you transfer those in from this RHS to LHS, then it will become a minus. So now tell me the value of this 2f of 0 minus f of 0 means 1f of 0. That is nothing but what? 0. It means f of 0 value is what? F of 0 value is 0. And therefore we can, okay, I will write down here only. Therefore, f of 0 value is what? Which is nothing but 0. See now from the equation 1, okay, just from this equation, this one only, from this equation 1, okay, from this equation 1, what we will get? We will get that f of minus y plus f of y, which is equal to 0. Okay, so you can say that f of minus x plus f of x, which is also equal to 0. Therefore, we can say the f of x is what? F of x, which is an odd function, which is an odd function. See here, because they told to us that for this f of x is an odd function. See why we have do like this? Because we have to prove this is an odd function. Okay. So what we have discussed in this today's class, just we have seen that how to check whether the given function is a odd function or not. So what is the condition? If f of x is equal, f of minus x is equal to minus of f of x, otherwise f of minus x plus f of x is equal to 0. Then you can say easily that given function is what? That given function which is what? Which is an odd function. Okay, in the next video we will discuss about the even function with example. Okay guys, I hope you all like the video. If you like the video, give a big thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries and you know what to do. See you in our next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.